Elevate your walls with bold textures inspired by stone, earth, and structure with KGALA Textured Finish Coat. Here are simple steps that you can follow. Start with a clean, primed surface. Apply the first layer evenly, then proceed with the texture method specific to each design. Work while fresh or allow it to set as required. Shale design. Comb downward using a cement comb. Then lightly flatten edges with a trowel. Shale, layered, rugged, and architecturally bold. Siltstone design. Using a roller brush, simply roll up and down. Then allow to dry. Siltstone, subtle movement with a natural stone feel. Sandstone design. After 2 to 3 hours, apply a second coat. While still fresh, gently brush for a compact finish. Sandstone, clean, compact, and refined. Corkweave design. Gently stroke with a roller brush. Once dry, lightly chisel to smooth. Corkweave, organic, textured, and handcrafted. Linear design. Using a plastic decorating comb, lightly comb the surface. Linear, clean lines and modern structure. Easy to apply. Get stunning results. KGALA Textured Finish Coat. Available at all Sinclair Pro stores nationwide and in official online shops.